In this part of the process, it's time to start recording your video. So after you have taken your content, the PLR content, put it into a into a PowerPoint type format, you are now ready to start creating your video from the PowerPoint. So we're going to go and open up Cam Studio, which is a software recommended you download for this process. Cam Studio can be accessed just from your start menu after you've installed it. This is what Cam Studio is going to look like. There's something that you're going to want to do at first. First, you're going to want to come over here to where it says over here View, and you want to choose Button View, and that will actually make it a little more compact, so it does not end up interfering with your actual recording. Now, one thing you do want to do here is you are going to be choosing region, and this part's very, very important. So we're just going to come over here, select slideshow, and then I'm going to pull up Cam Studio here. And what we're going to do is select the region. Now this part is really important because you want to kind of make sure that Cam Studio is kind of out of the way. I know it's kind of tricky, so that it's slightly out of the way. And so you're just going to select region, and we'll choose fixed region. So it'll take just a moment here. We just need to, basically what we want to do here is just drag so that we can actually start recording. Okay, so we're just going to come here, click on the red record button, and then we're just going to drag our content, drag this, over our content here. And as soon as we release, it's going to start recording. So what you do for the recording phase is just talk about your content. So how to lose weight fast. Get rid of hunger. Getting rid of hunger is one of the most important things you need to do in order to lose weight successfully. If you're always hungry, you will always eat, and weight loss will never happen. So that's the most important thing, for you to record these videos from. Is basically just read the content on the slide for now. You can get more advanced as time goes on, but really the basics of it is just to, get your voice with the text that's on the screen. Okay. Once you're done recording with Cam Studio, just click on the stop button. And notice what happened when I hit stop. It popped up in a window for me to save it as a file name, and then I would call it the name of the video, how to lose weight fast, which is going to be your keyword, video if you want to call it that, and then just click on save. So now it's saving my video. You see the progress bar here within Cam Studio. It's really simple to do actually. And then there is the video. It would actually play in this window. Now you might be wondering here what kind of software I was actually using in order to record this, and I'm basically not using any fancy microphone. It's just a Logitech USB microphone. But since I mentioned this is free, mostly free strategies here and systems that you're going to be following, you don't have to buy a fancy microphone or a USB microphone like the one that's being used right now. You can actually go out there and use the microphone that's built into your laptop. A lot of desktop computers have them built in as well. Okay, so that's very important to note. So now what we're going to do is go over here to YouTube because now it's time to upload the video. I know we're kind of moving fast, but that's because this method is very simple. It's really as simple as I just showed you. In mere minutes, you can have a video online and promoted. And so the goal is to, try to get, 5 to 10 of these done a week, to where at the end of, a month or so, you're sitting there with several videos out there online to start driving you some serious traffic. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm logged into YouTube, and for YouTube you can use a Gmail account or anything like that. They are tied in with Google, but I'm just going to click on upload here, and it's going to ask for me to log in one more time here, so that'll take just a moment and log in. Okay, so we're now logged into our YouTube account, and we're just going to select upload video right here, upload video. And I'm just going to go out here to my documents folder, and look for this video that I just uploaded, or excuse me, that I just recorded. So how to lose weight fast. And all I'm simply doing there is just selected the video, and notice it's actually giving me a progress of that video. Now where it says title, I'm putting in my main keyword phrase. So how to lose weight fast. And then the next thing that I'm going to do here is put in a description. Now in the description part, this part's really important. You want to put in your link to your website first, or link to your squeeze page or landing page or affiliate site, whatever that is. You want to put that in first and make sure you have this HTTP. And the reason is because you want to make sure that your link is clickable and live. So, and then you also want to write a nice description that includes your keyword in there. So learn how to lose weight fast with this short but informative video. And then you come in here to where it says tags. You want to put in your keywords here. So lose weight, probably weight loss, diet, exercise, fitness, all those good things. Category, typically it's going to be like how to for these type of videos. But it can vary. Maybe it's going to be health or education. That would also be fitting as well. Privacy, make sure you choose public. And then go ahead and simply choose save changes. And as soon as your video is done, it's actually going to make your video live and upload it. And you can see the upload progress there. So that's really it as far as uploading and submitting your video content. All the video hosting sites are very similar in that. You're just choose the video, you upload it, and then you go into the title, put in your keyword phrase in the title, keyword in the description somewhere, put a nice link there, and after that you can go on and submit it to other video sites and so forth. So that's the process of recording your video and then uploading that video. And we'll go on to the next step where we'll show you another way to promote the actual content that we have created.